Intermediate steps to understanding. Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Sammy Abdulrahman, your English VIP trainer and tutor. I am here to explain third story, lesson 1. In this story, I just translate the story and mention the most important vocabularies and words. Please repeat after me when I stop, and you have to move your mouth with me. Let's get started. Mr. and Mrs. Taylor had one child. خاتون و برس تايلر منداڵێکیان هەبوو. Had one child. منداڵێکیان هەبوو. Had one child. She had one car 5 years ago. ئەو یەک سیارەی هەبوو 5 ساڵ لەمەوە پێش. But now she has 3 cars. بەڵام ئێستا 3 سیارەی هەیە. کەواتە had یعنی هەیبوو، have و has یعنی هەیە. I had many books. من دنیای کتێبم هەبوو، یعنی کتێبانێکی زۆرم هەبوو. کەواتە had یعنی هەبوو. He was a boy. کوڕ بوو، واتە منداڵەکەیان کوڕ بوو. He was 7 years old. تەمەنی 7 ساڵ بوو. And his name was Pat. ناوی پات بوو. Now, Mrs. Taylor was expecting another child. ئێستا خاتوونی بەڕێز تەیلەر تەوەقوع یان چاوەڕێی یان بەتەمای منداڵێکی ترە. غەڵەت بوو؟ ئێستا خاتوون و بەڕێز تەیلەر بەڕێز تەیلەر خاتو تەیلەر تەوەقوعی منداڵێکی تری دەکرد، یانیش بەتەمای مناڵێکی تر بوو. Expecting واتە چاوەڕێکردن یان تەوەقوعکردن. Expecting. Another child واتە منداڵێکی تر. Another child منداڵێکی دیکە. Expecting another child تەوەقوعی مناڵێکی ترەکەن، چاوەڕێی مناڵێکی ترەکەن. Expecting another child. Please repeat after me. Expecting another child. Expecting another child. Very good. Pat had seen babies in other people's houses and hadn't liked them very much. Pat منداڵی دیکەی بینی بوو لە ماڵی خەڵکانی ترە و حەزی لێیان نەبوو زۆر، واتە کەیفی پێیان نەدەهات. Had seen babies واتە منداڵی بینی بوو. Had seen واتە بینی بووی. Had seen. I had seen you من تۆم بینی بوو. She had not seen me there ئەو منی نەبینی بوو لەوێ. Had seen واتە بینی بووی. So he was not delighted about the news that there was soon going to be one in his house too. So بۆیە he was not delighted ئەو دڵخۆش نەبوو، ئاسوودە نەبوو، پێی خۆش نەبوو. Delighted. I am delighted. I was delighted. I am not delighted now. I was not delighted yesterday. Delighted دڵخۆشی. So he was not delighted about the news. بۆیە ئەو حەزی لە هەواڵەکە نەبوو، پێی خۆش نەبوو، حەزی لێ نەبوو. That there was soon going to be one in his house too. کە there was واتە هەبوو، واتە there was soon going to be one in his house too. بۆیە ئەو هەواڵەکەی پێی خۆش نەبوو کە لەم نزیکانە دانەیەک لە ناو ماڵەکەی ئەمانیشە پەیدا دەبێت و دەبێت. There was واتە هەبوون یان پەیدابوون لەو کاتەیە. Soon واتە لەم نزیکانە. Delighted دڵخۆش. He was not delighted پێی خۆش نەبوو، دڵخۆش نەبوو. Going to واتە بەنیازێ شتێک ڕووبدات، واتە لە داهاتووە. بەنیازە شتێک ڕووبدا لە داهاتووە. Going to be one واتە یەکێک لە داهاتووە لە ناو ماڵەکەی ئەمانیشە ئەبێت. To واتە house to لە ناو ماڵەکەی ئەمیشە ئەبێت. One more time. So he was not delighted about the news that there was soon going to be one in his house too. One evening, Mr. and Mrs. Taylor were making plans for the baby's arrival. واتە ئێوارەیەکیان بەڕێز و خات و تەیلەر خەریکی ئامادەکردن و دانانی پلانێک بوون بۆ گەیشتنی منداڵەکە. Baby's arrival. Baby's arrival. گەیشتن. لە arrive هاتووە. Arrive verبەکەی واتە دەگات. For example, I'll arrive early tomorrow. سبەینێ دەگەمە هەولێر. When you arrive here, please let me know. کاتێک گەیشتیتە ئێرە ئاگادارم بکەرەوە یان با بزانم. Arrive. Okay. This house won't be big enough for us all when the baby comes. ئەم خانووە بڕی پێویست گەورە نییە یان بەقەدەری پێویست گەورە نییە بۆ ئێمە هەمومان کاتێک منداڵەکە دێت. مەبەستێوەی کاتێک منداڵەکە دێتە دنیاوە. This house won't be واتە will not be. Won't be big enough. Big enough واتە بڕی پێویست گەورە. For us all بۆ هەر هەمومان. When the baby comes کاتێ منداڵەکە دەگات یان دێت. کاتێ منداڵەکە دێت. I suppose we will have to find a larger house and move to that, said Mr. Taylor finally. لە کۆتاییدا بەڕێز تەیلەر گوتی من وای بۆ دەچم I suppose وای بۆ دەچم we will have to کە پێویست دەکات find a larger house خانوویەکی گەورەتر بدۆزینەوە and move to that و بۆی بڕۆین واتە بار بکەین بۆ ئەوێ. I suppose وای بۆ دەچم suppose I suppose وای بۆ دەچم suppose I suppose we suppose they suppose she supposes I suppose we will have to find a larger house and move to that, said Mr. Taylor finally. Have to پێویستە have to پێویستە larger گەورەتر larger larger گەورەتر smaller بچووکتر smaller بچووکتر move to بارکردن بۆ شوێنێک ڕۆیشتن بۆ شوێنێک. Okay? Pat had been playing outside, but he came into the room just then and said, What are you talking about? Pat خەریکی یاریکردن بوو لە دەرەوە واتە ئەو کاتێک کە دایک و باوکی قسەیە کرد ئەم خەریکی یاریکردن بوو outside لە دەرەوە but he came into the room بەڵام هاتە ژوورەوە just then and said هەڕێک لە دوای ئەوە هات و وتی What are you talking about? ئەوە لەسەر چی قسەکەن What are you talking about? What are you talking about? لەسەر چی قسەکەن What are you talking about? Please repeat after me. What are you talking about? Had been playing. Had been playing. خەریکی یاریکردن بوو. Had been playing. Okay? We were saying that we will have to move to another house now. Because the new baby's coming, his mother answered. We were saying that ئێمە خەریک بووین لەسەر ئەوە قسەمان دەکرد کە we will have to move to another house now. ئێستا پێویستە بڕۆین یان بار بکەین بۆ خانوویەکی دیکە. Because the new baby is coming. واتە لەبەر ئەوەی منداڵەکە وا خەریکە دێتە دنیاوە. His mother answered. دایکی وەڵامی دایەوە. The new baby is coming. The new baby is coming. Answered. وەڵامی دایەوە. I answered you yesterday. من دوێنێ وەڵامی تۆم دایەوە. But you didn't answer me. بەڵام تۆ وەڵامی منت نەدایەوە. Answered. It's not use, said Pat hopelessly. بەبێ ئومێدیەوە Pat وتی it is not use. بەعەمەل نایە. کەڵکی نییە. It's not use. It is no use. It's no use. Kalkinia. It's no use, said Pat hopelessly. Hopelessly. Babe hiwaiyawa. Babe umediyawa. Hopelessly. Hopeless. Hopelessly. He'll follow us there. أو بدوامان أكوي بو أوي. He will follow us there. بدوامان أكويت بو أوي. Follow. Follow. بدوا كوتن. Okay, everyone. Now I'm going to read it. And please repeat after me. Mr. and Mrs. Taylor had one child. He was a boy. And he was 7 years old. And his name was Pat. Now Mrs. Taylor was expecting another child. Pat had seen babies in another people's house and had not liked them very much. So he was not delighted about the news that there was soon going to be one in his house too. One evening, Mr. and Mrs. Taylor were making plans for the baby's arrival. This house won't be big enough for us all when the baby comes. I suppose we will have to find a larger house and move to that, said Mr. Taylor finally. Pat had been playing outside, but he came into the room just then and said, "What are you talking about?" We were saying that we will have to move to another house now. Because the new baby's coming, his mother answered. It's no use, said Pat hopelessly. He'll follow us there. Okay, everyone, now I'm going to repeat the most important phrases and words. Had one child. Had one child. Expecting. Expect. Expecting. Another child. Had seen. Delighted. Going to. Baby's arrival. Big enough. Suppose. Have to. Larger. Move to. Had been playing. What are you talking about? The new baby's coming. Answered. It's no use. Hopelessly. Follow. Thank you very much. Listen to this more than 2 or 3 times, please, and repeat after me. In the second lesson, I will ask you many questions about the story. So read and listen and practice well, and prepare yourself for the questions. Bye bye.